Hi, this is Ron Capola. I live in Vermont. We're at the state capitol today, and we just talked to Governor Phil Scott. Um, Unfortunately, the governor feels pressure to pass this marijuana bill. Um, we did sit down with him, and he did listen. Um, I don't know if this is going to change his mind, but for anyone who is involved with their state legislature and they're thinking about legalization, um, there's such a movement to get this done because they want the revenue streams. But what I say and what I said to Governor Scott was, regardless of which way this goes, we shouldn't just pass this bill and be the end of it. There's so many studies being done. There's so much research being done, epigenetic wise, how it changes and influences the expression of our genes when we take this concentrated marijuana into our system. This is something that might not affect you, but I can tell you, if your epigenetics are being influenced, it's going to change your kid's future and not for the better.
And epigenetics means what?
God doesn't make bad genes, number one. Everyone's genes are good. The expression of your genes is where the problem comes in. Same with cancer. This is why you can tolerate things, you can tolerate marijuana for a little while. But there comes a time where it's going to have an effect, and you can no longer fix. Your body cannot fix it anymore. Give a lot of credit to your body. It's a super mechanism where even though you're exposed to toxins or what have you, whether that be chemical or marijuana on the job, your body repairs itself. But there's a time where it just gets overburdened and it can't repair itself anymore. And the epigenetics is you have this fulcrum and you have an environmental insult, and now your gene gets expressed and it's supposed to be suppressed, and now it's expressed. This is how cancer happens. And it's the same thing with this concentrated marijuana. It's going to have an effect. If not on you, it will affect the next generations.